welcome back to my channel, Ask DeAvila Sadé, with your host, DeAvila Sadé, and I am back with a new video. If you are new to my channel is where mental health meets the millennial with just a sprinkle of my Microlocs journey and some travel vlogs here and there. And I am back with a new Microlocs video. As you guys have recently seen, I just reached my 1 year lock anniversary. So yes, I have been locked 1 year, and I wanted to bring just a slew of content for you to watch regarding just to celebrate my first year being locked. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a Loc Tour and a length check. If you don't know what a Loc Tour, I grabbed this idea from one of my favorite fellow YouTubers, which is Ann. She's really one of the main influencers of why I even decided to get Microlocs. Anyway, she has a video that she did probably about 2 years ago that was a Loc Tour where she's just showing you her locks, and then she's gonna do a length check. If you haven't watched my first video or just even my Microlocs playlist, go ahead and I will link it here, and you can see my entire first year journey. I started with 13 inches of hair when I first got my hair locked. Now, I didn't measure it myself, my loctician did, but I believe she gave me the right length. So we're gonna go that that's the right length. So today we're gonna see how long my hair has grown since that 1 year date ago. Well, that 1 year, how long it was a year ago. Okay, so it has grown since then. Anywho, let's go ahead and do the Loc Tour first. So right now, I literally just got dressed. I got out the shower and got dressed. I have not washed my hair in about a week. I will typically wash my hair once a week or every 2 weeks. I wait about 2 weeks when I first get a retie, and then after that I kind of go back to washing once a week. So let's kind of shake it out a little bit. Okay, so here we have my locks. As like I said, I haven't washed my hair. I don't have any product on my hair. I haven't misted my hair, anything. I just wanted to see it in its rare state because we know that when I do wash my hair, it kind of elongates the first day and then it starts shriveling up. But yeah, this is where it is right now. So let's look at some locks around different sections of my hair. So we're gonna start with the front. These are what my front locks are looking like. I'm hoping that you guys can see it. As you see, it still has that twist pattern for the most part, at least towards the end. We still are having curly ends as well. As you see, I am doing the interlock method. You're starting to see that my locks are starting to mature. Let's grab another one. Let's get that one out the way and grab a couple of more just so you can kind of see what my locks are looking like up close. I have been having some budding at the end. Now, y'all, I'm not even gonna lie. I have been cutting the little buds off my ends, like those little balls that hang, and I know now that that's the part of the maturing process and I really shouldn't be touching those. So that's probably another reason why my locks have not fully matured, because I be cutting them things out. I don't pull them out, but I try to I don't like a little ball hanging around here, but I'm gonna leave it alone going forward. But yeah, that's something that I have learned recently. Leave the balls that form at the end of your hair, because that is your hair showing you that it understands that it's time to lock, and it is really, it's really jumping on the train to lock. So do not touch the balls at the end of your hair. So here we're looking at the side, and I'm gonna try not to look, because I'm trying to look at the mirror while showing you. And okay, yeah. And this is my side profile. You can see how my side locks look. They are starting to mature. Like, I really am seeing it. I am starting to, I got the frizz really at the end. That's where a lot of it is, at the end. My grid is, for the most part, I feel like it's still intact. Okay, so let's look at some of my back locks to see how they're doing. I don't know if I have any just one lock that I feel is fully mature, but let's take a look at these back locks. We see some bunching going on. Okay, yeah, we do see some bunching. I'm trying to look. This is my first time looking, y'all, as well. I don't visibly see really a twist pattern. I do see bunching, but this might be one of my probably locks that are like almost, if not fully locked. Sorry if I'm terrible at this, y'all, but yeah, let's try this side. That's some more bunching right there. As you can see, a little budding too. Yeah. So the back locks, I don't really have any issues with. I think it's more so like the front locks. Again, I have not washed my hair, so if y'all see any product buildup or anything on my scalp, just forgive me. Okay, so that's enough of that Loc Tour. Let's go ahead and get into the length check. So I grabbed a measuring tape. I got it from Amazon for like $4. So just specifically for this video. And what I'm gonna do is take a lock from the front and measure it, from the sides, from the back, and from my crown to see what all do we have. And we're gonna measure it by inches. Okay, so let's try this front one. Okay, so we're looking at probably about, if you can see, 10 and a half, probably right at 10 and a half. Yeah, we're looking at right about 10 and a half of that lock in the front. Okay. Let's grab one from the side. Okay. Okay, let's see where this falls. Okay. That one landed right at 13 inches. Now I'm starting to wonder, baby, where'd you get 13 inches from? Because we got 10 in the front, 13 in the back, 13 on the side. Baby, where my girl get 13 inches from the original? Because I know my hair is grown. Y'all seen it. My hair is grown. So let's go ahead and take one from the back. The back is looking like 10 and a half inches as well. All right, y'all. So math ain't mathing right now. Let's grab one from the crown. Something better be in my head over 13 inches today. Because, again, it's not really making sense for me. Let's try this one. This one seems like it's in the thick of the crown. Again, we go. That one's at 11 inches. Ten and a half. I'm gonna have to go back over the numbers. Okay, did y'all, what do we? Y'all, this math is not mathing. Let's do one more for good measure. One of these locks gotta be over 13 inches. One of them got to be over. I'm gonna think I got bamboozled to paying more. Because, you know, they like to charge you more based off how long your hair is. And she measured it in the, she measured it in my consultation. So I'm just like, hold on now. I ain't trying to say nobody no liar, but did you take the longest, find one strand that's like the longest piece of my hair and decide it? Or did your hair break off with locks? I don't think my hair's broke off. It looks like it's longer. Okay, I see something that's a little bit over 13 inches. Okay, let's see. Where we at on here? It looks about 13 and a half. Yeah, that's about 13 and a half on that side. But still, when it had grown a little bit, let's grab one more out of my locks. Which one looks like it's the longest? This one looks pretty long. I don't know if y'all can see that. This one is at 14 inches. This one's at 14 inches in 1 year. So what I'm assuming, because you know, I'm not going to spit on nobody's name. It looks like she probably found the longest piece of my hair and charged me full price for that, which I'm assuming, because only one of my locks right now I done found is over 13 inches. So, oh Lord. Or my hair, I just refuse. Y'all, we've seen the pictures. My hair has grown in this year. Granted, your hair doesn't grow a lot. Like, what they say, half an inch a year maybe? Is that? I don't know. So, I'm a little disappointed. I know y'all probably can tell on my face. I'm a little disappointed that the longest strand that I found is like 14 inches. And I really, you know what? My predictions were that if I started out with 13 inches of hair, that means that I would have maybe 15. I was hoping for 15 inches of hair, like all around. So, well, I guess now we got a real starting mark of where my hair is, which I'm still glad for that. Like, I still got healthy hair. The goal is to have healthy hair. And that is just an accurate length check. Like, this is my first time ever measuring my hair. So, I mean, that is what it is. All right, y'all. So, that was my Loc Tour, and that was my length update. So, we're going to just start over fresh with those numbers. The longest strand that I found was 14 inches. So, that will just be our base. And this time next year, when I hit 2 years, we gonna really see if my hair done grown. Because if so, at that point, somebody got some explaining to do. But like I said, the goal is to have healthy hair. I'm super excited about my journey. I am so excited about how much my hair has just progressed in this year, and I look forward to bringing you guys more content, and I will see you in my next video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe below. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, DeAvila Sadé, and I will see you